Okay, as the initial step, you have to go to start menu, tap on power icon, tap on restart. Then after, you can check your internet connection by tap on in the taskbar, tap on Wi-Fi icon. Check your Wi-Fi connection you are connected with. Make sure it has enough internet connection and it is available for internet. Once it is done, if you are using VPN or something, you can disable that one and try to do that again. Then after, go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to the storage option. You can see temporary file option here, just tap on it. So these are the files you can remove from your computer. Select the all file if you don't need, tap on remove files. Once it is done, go back, scroll down and tap on cleanup recommendations. In here also you can clean these files, just select all file. If you don't need, tap on cleanup. Then after, again go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to the troubleshoot option, tap on other troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update troubleshooter like this. Wait for find the issue. If it is fixable, this will automatically fix that one. Otherwise, it will show the error, so you can manually fix that. Then after, go to search bar, type cmd like this. Right click on it, tap on run as administrator. First you need to type net stop WUAUSCRV. Hit enter. Then after net stop bits, hit enter. Then after net start WUAUSCRV, hit enter. Finally net start bits, hit enter and restart your computer. Again you have to open the command prompt. In this time you need to type DISM online cleanup image restore health like this. Then after hit enter. Once it is done, you have to type SFC scan now and hit enter. Then after, again restart your computer. Again go to search bar, type run, tap on that application. You need to type msconfig like this, tap on OK. Go to the services tab, tick the hide all Microsoft services option, go to startup tab, tap on open task manager. Under the status section, if there is any application is enabled, make sure to disable the all applications. Once it is done, you can close this one and tap on OK. If you are using third-party antivirus software, temporarily disable that one, then try to update it again. So you can manually download the update. So you can go to browser, type Microsoft update catalog like this and hit enter. So choose the first option, official Microsoft website. So you can type the update KB number from here, KB like this. So then after tap on search, you can see all the updates available from here. You can simply download that one and install it from here. If none of these method not working, go to start menu, go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and come to recovery option. Tap on reset this PC. Tap on keep my files and it will reset your computer without deleting your files. So these are the methods you can try to fix your update error. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe.